Okay, so for today we're going to work through an escape room. There's a link in Schoology to this escape room. It's pretty self-explanatory. You'll read through the directions here a little bit and click next at the bottom. And then, um, you're answering the questions. And the nice part about it is if you get something wrong, when you click next, it will tell you not quite, and it will send you back to do it again. All right, so you have that chance to fix it, and it won't let you go on until it is fixed, actually. So once you get the correct answer, it'll send you on. When you do get it right, all right, so let's see. Okay, you can see well done. And then it tells you to put this letter into the student recording sheet. So you can use the student recording sheet. It's also in Schoology as a reference, or you can just write it on a piece of paper. It doesn't matter. There'll be 4 questions that you'll kind of record your responses to, and then you'll have to decode something to unlock to go to the next station. There's a total of 4 stations, and you won't get credit for doing it until you complete all 4 and hit the submit button. When you hit the submit button, that's what sends your email address to me, so I know who has done or has completed the escape room. Like I said, it'll give you, it'll help you with the answers along the way, so everyone has a chance to do it correctly. Just take your time, and hopefully you enjoy it. Thanks.